All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. My name is Michael Chu. Today is December 26th. Hope everyone had a good holiday, Christmas. Right now it's almost 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Um, Friday today, and just before the weekend, we have pretty mild index movement today, like 0% for Nasdaq. Dow's down 0.1. S&P is just again near pretty much 0%. Volume surprisingly high on Nasdaq, but again, there's not much stocks on the move, so I don't think that it matters. If we go to stocks on the move, you can see there's only four stocks right now, even have volume based movement. So very low volume. Most people are on holiday, both probably retail and also as well as institution. So yeah, not much movement. We do see some precious metals moving again here. So let's take a quick look at that, and we go to GLD and just looking at the gold price. We are making new highs once again. Very strong movement. This is the uptrend has been forming and it's starting to look sharper. So gold stocks are doing really well. Gold and silver. Let me take a look at silver as well. This one also gap up this morning. Look at that sharp move today. Is definitely starting to look a little bit like a climax run momentum building. So we could see something like that as it curves up the short-term moving average. So that's definitely a strong area. Both of those. If I go to my stocks list here, we see AEM, we see Algo, right? Algo has been very strong. Let's take a quick look at that one. This morning you can see it bounce up, so that looks really good, making new high. We have BVN, CDE, Arrow, Newmont Mining. Let's take a look at past. This is the silver. This one also making new high this morning. Very strong move. There you go, right there. Looking very sharp. Again, just tremendous strength in these two areas. SCCO, and then we also have some lithium SGML here, doing really well as well, making new high. We also have fertilizer here, SQM, also making new high. So again, just great area right now, looking very sharp. We also have SVM down here. So yeah, a lot of them are up today. This is the one group that is pretty strong today. Other than that, most stocks are red this morning, even though the new index are not moving much, but a lot of stocks are red. Not a lot, just by a little bit. So not much movement at all. Um, very quiet day. We do see Nvidia moving this morning. Let's take a look at that one. Here's Nvidia starting to build the right side of the base here. This is looking very sharp. Looks like it's starting to set up and building momentum. Coming back on the right side of the base. So I've been adding positions here, here, and here today as well. Looking very sharp today. Nvidia. So that's Nvidia. Let's take a quick look at Palantir. So today Palantir actually fell, so it wasn't able to continue this momentum here. I'm not sure why, but anyhow, if there's any news or anything, but probably not. It's a very quiet day today, but yeah, this is not good. I don't know why it didn't carry on. We broke out right here, and then now we fell like pretty much to that line again. Maybe this is another test. I'm not sure. We'll see. There don't see much movement on retail side. And even industrial, same thing. The only stock that is kind of moving, kind of related to precious metals, is Central Aluminum. This one continue to move up to new high right here. Again, precious metals related are very strong right now. Health, I only saw two stocks kind of trying to move a little bit. CRMD, this one is moving a little bit. It's bouncing off the 10-day here. And then the other one is, which is the strongest stock in my growth stock list, is PAX. This one has just been a very strong start. Look at this 10-day moving average right here. It just finds support constantly, and again making new highs today. Just very strong start. We already talked about the metals. Financial again, not too much moving as well. So like I said, very boring day, very quiet day. Let's finish off with the index here. So we are above the short-term moving average. That's the good thing. Nasdaq actually been up 6 days in a row. The only thing I don't like about this is that we are still near that upper trend line. So we have come back above to the upper trend line. The problem is, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you have to look on the other side, I wish it was stronger move with that 6 days of run. Generally, when you see 6 days of run, you're like, you want to see power moves. But this is like a very slow, gradual move, and we're still under the previous trend line. That is the biggest problem. Because if the momentum turn, um, we could be heading down really fast, right? So something to watch out, especially in the new year, if there's tax deferral selling here happening. So let's go to SPY. SPY looks slightly better because we are near the previous high. We actually booked a new high already. Right now it's 690 versus 689. Dow, this one had a nice move last day. Today is just holding tight again, not moving much. So still okay, looking good, very good. And finally Russell, this one is also finding resistance. We talked about how the bounce on Wednesday, the last day Wednesday wasn't that strong, and again we're stuck at the 10-day. So Dow and SP surprisingly doing much better. Nasdaq and Russell not as strong relatively. You can see the relative strength here is heading down. Thank you all for watching. I'll be coming out with some new videos this weekend. Please follow that. Thank you. Have a good day.